In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Rock Solid spell in Black Make Wukong. For this, you can consider some steps to follow. First, unlock the spell. Defeat the Tiger Vanguard boss in Chapter 2. After the boss fight, you will receive the Rock Solid spell. In the second step, equip the spell. Go to a Keeper Shrine. Select Self Advance. Then choose Set Spells. Replace the Cloud Foot spell with Rock Solid. In the third step, timing is key. The Rock Solid spell has a short activation window. Time your activation to coincide with an enemy's attack. If timed correctly, you will defeat the attack and stun the enemy. In the fourth step, counter attack. Once the enemy is stunned, quickly follow up with a counter attack. This can be a regular attack, a special ability, or even another spell. In the fifth step, practice and mastery. The rock solid spell require practice to master. Experiment with different enemies and timing to perfect your techniques. So I hope this quick tutorial will help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.